yesi bema biya sebe oye niyama no na oba di n'akyi na kwa Bediako wani so emo efe wate ya ukodwoma ye be somaw bi oni bibi ewiase won yesi uhu bema owo nyansa na yire so onyansa ai de biya se makwa meka me se da wo be ka kire wo yire se wagimi na se wo bema no so wagimi because se bema gimi fo no fa oba gimi fo me pene vem ene sabi the way oye articulate ye ka so bi articulator the way otimi reason and the way na adwene ekon ye papa ewiase ni ekon ye ko ba bia sabi a man no say they are integral part of men to say Bible no asem no say oba wo ye bema says wafo e ho ne adu enti wo a wo hwa me before you say I do make sure say the woman is somebody who can what push you up.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi Xposed GH. Mama kwa ba baby a obi am de nyame nchi akese e ma wo. Ye papa na kwa Bediako chada ya ka no wase bebre nanso yese bema bia sebe oye niyama no na oba di n'akyi. Me sure say uhu ne yipoda. Na nyame a chen oba so no bi nti ene pese ye ka the incoming first lady e ho asem. Yen kwhwe ye maame so no pa emra ye ba ye beka no asem.
Ruby Bediako is known for her elegance and grace. She has been married to Nana Kwame Bediako, also known as Cheddar or Freedom Jacob Caesar, for about 20 years. Together they have 3 children. Ruby has mostly kept a low profile on social media, but her husband often shares glimpses of their life together, showcasing their beautiful moments and family events. Ruby is admired for her beauty and the strong bond she shares with her husband. She supports him in his various business ventures and philanthropic activities. Despite her preference for privacy, Ruby occasionally makes appearances at social events, where she and Cheddar are often seen looking very happy together. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and follow GH Facts for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Wisdom, stability, and ability, and understanding. Happy birthday.
So be. Oba so no pa we de yesi Coca-Cola hey na kwa Bediako wani so emo efe wate ya ukodwoma ye be somaw bi oni bibi ewiase won yesi uhu bema owo nyansa na yire so onyansa ai de bia se makwa meka me say da wo be ka kire wo yire se wagimi na se wo bema no so wagimi because se bema gimi fo no fa oba gimi fo ai enti bema bia sabe wo nyansa owo vision oye fearless no say oba no di na chi no on so the same attributes. Your two like things move together. Sa na wiase na no bi ka say na mami kra ye wu say oboni kra chi dom ye hu baomia ye oboni send say wo bo wa wo ni nam nothing wo ye adwuma no so for mo ye ko hemra so akombi chese obone bikunu achidom na oni bibi me pene vem any sabi the way oye articulate ye ka so be articulator the way otimi reason and the way na adwene ekono eye papa ni kunu na ma no so dampa sabi onye ma na omye slay queens mi oye oba papa de bia me ka se Ghana for ma munsu anyansa ebinim pacho ebinim I'm Ghana for my money nyansa but ebinim de ani nyansa because and say me video bi na obi TikTok no church and to am say we ya di piaka sabe ye pe oba nyansa ne adi wachi a wo church out to TikTok no eno na me fa sa man ye yusu om ne adampiom Ni ekoye baby. Ye po ba sabi ye ko baby obedi echi a. Oba so ba cha cha auto. Ewiase ni ekọ ye ko baby a sabi a man no say they are integral part of men. Say Bible no asem no ko say oba wo ye be message wafo e ho ne adu. Enti wo a wo hwa me before you say I do make sure say the woman is somebody who can what push you up. Aye enye sika sem na meka obi won man na adwenku apia ni kuna kodu pepesu bi oba sabi obebo sika ni yendi de sa ba na mfa bida fa ni obeka to se da chinti yensie sika ni bi ono ni oba nyasafo oba sabi oye niama ni yehwe de sa oba no fa ohia beka ho sa oba na mfa bida fa oba sabi bibia wo ye bia odiwachi oba sabe wo mami a first lady a wasese no from head to toe ne ba bia ngu ho ono no oye oba papa ye ka se oba sima na we a oba wakata ne ho asiye ti ne friend akatasi wa o se de akatasi a you understand enti wo a wo hwa me eni atuachi na nkofa oba bia sabe o kan wa no aka force oba ne fa ne nkwa akọ enkodi etuachi na oba bia onu kuruma kwa bia ba oba ye aduane ni fie oba ni oba sabe we ni kuru ne nafofo beba say baby 5 minutes ya adwuma mame aduane mame no aya mame ni nyina kosi no ye ka oba sabe edum paso a no go area o kire ni kuru say I'm in charge so oba ni me ne ware na we nyina make say na kwa me Bediako ne yere or any nyina embodiment of all. I Xposed GH. But also subscribe. Yeah, the two partners or Sakabi Manasi.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.